Good boy.
You coming?
Good boy.
Are you coming? You walking with your trolley? Such an effort, there has to be some grunting. What are you doing?
Trying to freeload. This walking is too much like hard work. Come on. No, not the right. They're walking.
Yeah? I like your little muscle shirt, little muscly one.
Walking. And the next one. Oh, the
No,
next one.
I want to crawl. Hey, you coming this way? Jamie? Jim Jim? There's no one at the door. We're all over here. You coming? Come here. Come on. Hey, this is making for a boring video. Crawl again.
Let me out. I'm a prisoner.
It's funny how he does that. Really exaggerated arms.